Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to see old stories on Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Facebook app. Okay, then tap on menu option. Scroll down, click on settings and privacy. Tap on settings. Okay, then scroll down, your activity, then tap on activity log. Okay, click on archive. Tap on filters, then all, then time set, click on trash option, then your all activities, then your status. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.